Sun on the wheelhouse, diesel hard roaring, steel back rhythm in the current. She's cutting 15 empties, treading long steel, something northbound push with a river dog grin. Another hard work day, about to roll right in. She's got miles behind her, miles ahead, built for the grind, not the glory or the credit. Yeah, she rolls, and the river knows. Every shove forward is a story she wrote. Under blue sky thunder, with a heavy load soul. She's a workhorse queen on a northbound road. Diesel fire humming like a promised kiss. Catlettsburg calling with a pull she won't forget. Long nights, long shifts, river fog rising. Steel meets water in a dance that's timeless. Pilots and deckhands shoulder the weight, living that towboat life the river makes. 15 empties snapping the morning breeze. Northbound motion feels like meant to be. Storms may come, but she never folds. Just digs in deeper when the river gets bold. Yeah, she rolls, and the river knows. Every shove forward is a story she wrote. Under blue sky thunder, with a heavy load soul. She's a workhorse queen on a northbound road. Diesel fire humming like a promised kiss. Catlettsburg calling with a pull she won't forget.